Hey kids! You've just landed on the island of Kidstopia. Welcome back! Are you ready for an exciting journey into the world of bugs? Today we're going on an adventure to learn about some awesome bugs. We'll discover where they live, what they eat, and why they're so important to our environment. Bugs are everywhere, from your backyard to the park, even in the air. They are an essential part of our ecosystem, helping plants grow and keeping the environment clean. Get ready to learn some amazing things about these tiny creatures. We'll see how they build their homes, how they communicate, and even how they protect themselves from predators. Let's go. Grab your magnifying glasses and let's dive into the fascinating world of bugs. First things first, what is a bug? Bugs are little creatures that come in all shapes and sizes. Some are tiny, while others can be quite large. They can be found in almost every habitat on Earth. Some have wings and fly, like butterflies and dragonflies. They use their wings to travel long distances and find food, while others crawl on the ground like ants and beetles. These bugs are often busy building nests or searching for food. Some bugs are brightly colored to warn predators, while others like to blend in with their surroundings to stay hidden. This camouflage helps them avoid being eaten. No matter what they look like, bugs are amazing creatures that play an important role in our world. They help pollinate plants, break down material in the ground, and serve as food for other animals. Are you ready to learn some amazing bug facts? Let's get bugging! We'll uncover the secrets of these incredible creatures and see just how fascinating the world of bugs can be. Have you ever seen a line of ants marching across the ground? It's like a tiny parade, with each ant knowing exactly where to go and what to do. They follow each other in a line, creating a fascinating display of order and teamwork. Ants are super strong. They can lift things many times their size. Imagine being able to lift a car or even a house. That's how strong ants are compared to their size. They use their powerful jaws to carry leaves, crumbs, and seeds back to their nests. It's like you carrying a whole bunch of your toys all at once. Just think about how much effort it takes to carry all your favorite toys from one room to another. Ants do this every day, tirelessly working to ensure their colony has enough food and resources. Ants are also team players. They work together to move objects that are too big for one ant to handle alone. By collaborating, they can achieve incredible feats, like moving large pieces of food or building complex structures. They live in big groups called colonies and work together to gather food and build their homes. Each ant has a specific role to play, ensuring the colony runs smoothly and efficiently. They even have special jobs like worker ants, soldier ants, and the queen ant. Worker ants take care of the young and gather food. Soldier ants protect the colony, and the queen ant's primary job is to lay eggs to ensure the colony's survival. Did you know that there are over 12,000 different types of ants in the world? Each species has unique characteristics and behaviors, making the world of ants incredibly diverse and fascinating. That's more than all the types of birds and mammals combined. The sheer variety of ants is astounding, with each species adapted to thrive in its specific environment. And guess what? They can be found on every continent except Antarctica. From the hottest deserts to the densest rainforests, ants have adapted to survive in almost every habitat on Earth. Wow, ants are truly amazing. Their strength, teamwork, and adaptability make them one of the most successful and fascinating creatures on our planet. Next time you see a line of ants, take a moment to appreciate the incredible world they live in. Buzz, buzz, buzz! It's a busy bee! Bees are fuzzy little insects with a big job. They make honey. That sweet, sticky treat that you love to eat is all thanks to the hard work of bees. Bees collect nectar from flowers and use it to make honey in their hives. A hive is like a big apartment building for bees, with lots of little rooms called honeycombs. Each honeycomb is filled with delicious honey. Bees also help plants grow by spreading pollen from flower to flower. They're like tiny gardeners, helping to make our world a more beautiful place. So next time you see a bee, give it a little wave and say thank you. Butterflies are like flying works of art. They come in so many different colors and patterns, it's like a rainbow in the sky. But did you know that a butterfly's life cycle is a little bit magical? It all starts with a tiny egg laid on a leaf. When the egg hatches, out pops a caterpillar. The caterpillar munches on leaves and grows bigger and bigger until it's time to build a special case called a chrysalis. Inside the chrysalis, an amazing transformation happens. When the time is right, the chrysalis opens up, and out flies a beautiful butterfly. It's like a tiny miracle. The strong and mighty beetle. Beetles are some of the most fascinating creatures in the insect world, known for their incredible strength and resilience. Beetles are the weightlifting champions of the bug world. Their strength is truly remarkable, allowing them to perform feats that seem impossible for their size. They are covered in a hard, protective shell that acts like a suit of armor. This shell, known as the carapace, not only protects them from predators but also supports their powerful muscles. Some beetles can even lift objects 850 times their own weight. Imagine the strength and determination required to achieve such an effort. That's like you lifting a car. Just think about the sheer power and endurance these tiny creatures possess. Beetles come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny ladybug to the giant rhinoceros beetle. Each species has its own unique characteristics and adaptations that make them special. There are over 400,000 different types of beetles in the world, making them the largest group of insects. This incredible diversity means that beetles can be found in almost every habitat on Earth. Some beetles are brightly colored to warn predators to stay away. These vivid colors act as a warning signal, indicating that they might be toxic or unpalatable, while others use camouflage to blend into their surroundings. This ability to hide in plain sight helps them avoid becoming prey. No matter their size or shape, beetles are fascinating creatures with some incredible abilities. From their strength to their adaptability, beetles continue to amaze scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. Their role in the ecosystem is vital, as they help decompose organic matter, pollinate plants, and even control pest populations. Truly, the world of beetles is one of wonder and awe. Did you know? Superbug surprises! Did you know that a group of fireflies blinking together is called a flash mob? It's like a bug party with flashing lights. And get this, a snail can sleep for 3 years. That's a really long nap. Maybe snails dream about racing, very, very slowly. And here's a crazy fact, a cockroach can hold its breath for 40 minutes. Grasshoppers can jump up to 20 times their body length. That's like you jumping over a school bus. Praying mantises are like little ninjas. They're super fast and can grab their prey in a flash. Creepy crawly camouflage. Some bugs are masters of disguise. They use camouflage to blend in with their surroundings, making it hard for predators to spot them. The stick insect, for example, looks just like, well, a stick. It can even sway back and forth to mimic a twig blowing in the wind. Sneaky, right? Other bugs, like the leaf insect, blend in perfectly with leaves. They even have veins on their wings that look just like real leaves. It's like playing hide and seek, but these bugs are really good at it. The wonderful world of water bugs. Not all bugs live on land. Some bugs, called water bugs, live in ponds, lakes, and rivers. They've got special adaptations that help them survive in the water. Water striders, for example, have long legs that allow them to walk on water. They're like tiny superheroes with water-walking powers. Other water bugs, like backswimmers, swim upside down. They even have special hairs on their bodies that trap air bubbles, allowing them to breathe underwater. Pretty cool, huh? Nature's tiny helpers. Even though some bugs might seem a little icky, they are actually really important for our planet. They help to pollinate plants, which means they help them to grow fruits, vegetables, and beautiful flowers. Yum! Some bugs, like ladybugs, are even helpful to gardeners because they eat tiny pests that can harm plants. Ladybugs are like tiny superheroes protecting our gardens. And did you know that some bugs help to break down dead plants and animals? It might sound a little gross, but it's actually super important for keeping our planet clean and healthy. Keep exploring the world of bugs. So there you have it, explorers. We've learned about ants, bees, butterflies, beetles, and so much more. Bugs are amazing creatures with incredible abilities and important jobs to do. The next time you're outside, take a closer look at the bugs around you. You never know what amazing discoveries you might make. Maybe you'll see a spider spinning a web, or a ladybug spreading its wings to fly. Remember, even though some bugs might seem a little scary, they are all important parts of our world. So be kind to bugs, appreciate their awesomeness, and keep exploring the wonderful world of bugs. Share the buggy fun. Did you enjoy learning about bugs? I had so much fun exploring with you. Now it's your turn to share the buggy fun. Tell your friends and family about your favorite bug facts. Maybe you can even go on a bug hunt together and see how many different kinds of bugs you can find. Join us again next time on Kidstopia. Don't forget to subscribe, give this video a big thumbs up, and hit the bell so you don't miss any awesome videos. Leave a comment down below telling me what your favorite bug is. And remember, keep dreaming big and discovering new things every day. Until next time.